Haroon Al Rasheed, he was one of the kings of Muslim Ummah. He was in his cabinet and he was about to have a glass of water, and somebody said to him that, before you have it, can I ask you a question? And he said yes. He said that if there was a shortage of water on the earth and this was the only glass that was left for you to drink and you were extremely thirsty, what price would you pay to have this glass of water? He said, if it was this dire circumstances, I will probably give half of my kingdom and take the water. So he said, okay, and now that you have drank the water and suddenly this disease develops and you're not able to urinate anymore, your kidney has stopped functioning, and there's only one doctor who can fix this and who can find a cure to help you relieve from the water that is there. If a person is not able to urinate, it can be extremely painful. Person is actually मछली का तड़प रहा होता है, जिस तरह मछली पानी के बाहर तड़प रही होती है ना, उस तरह की हालत होती है. So he said that if it is such dire circumstances, I would probably pay the rest of my kingdom to get me the solution to be relieved. So he said, Haroon Al Rasheed, think about it. Your entire kingdom that you are so proud of, that you are so desperate for, that you are so protective about, is worth a glass of water and its ability to be relieved. That's how this dunya is, right? We are literally drowning in the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala which has given us this beautiful ni'mah. How much we try, we will not be able to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and yet we are still dependent upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all of these things. It cannot be that we assume at any point in time that I can get all of these things on my own without Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala giving them to me. And hence the need for continuously going back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the need for making dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the need for raising our hands, requesting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, Ya Allah, I am in need, I am a faqir who without your blessing cannot survive.